I need help. My MapleStory videos won't work. I used Fraps, got them all recorded and all that. But when I put them on Windows Movie Maker, it never seems to work. If somebody can just help me about that, that'd be great. But nothing else I can see. Oh yeah, and how do you post? If I made an Easy Tune video like I have a lot. Sorry about the accent. Lol. Oh, my Easy Tune videos. How do I pretty much post them? I need help with that. Sorry for wasting 1 minute of your life, pretty much, but please help me. Please.